Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing subordinating conjunctions. So don't miss any video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First of all, we will see even. It means equal in amount or value. First example, even mummy does not understand. So, even that is given. It means that I also and even mummy also. So, here even that is used. It shows equal. Second, she even agreed to take care of children. Not others but also she. That is the meaning of even. She also agreed to take care of children. Third, he didn't have computers or even a calculator. Also a calculator, in that sense it is used. That's why even is given. Fourth, they taught that human beings should be kind even to their enemies. Also to their enemies. That is the meaning of this sentence. Even our Savior preached liberty and equality. Not only others but also our Savior preached liberty and equality. Also, that is the meaning in this sentence. That's why even is used. The best books are not read even by those who are called good readers. So here also in that sense even is used. Let's see even though. So here to show contrast we can use this even though. First, even though he is a millionaire, he lives in a very small flat. Contrasting ideas, contrasting things are given, contrasting sentences are given. That's why they are joined with even though. Even though Mrs. Sherlock is very learned, she is polite. Even though it rained a lot, we enjoyed the holiday. Contrasting things are given. That's why they are joined with even though. We are still thirsty even though we drank too much water. Okay? In spite of drinking too much water, we are still thirsty. That is the meaning. So, even here it is used to show contrast. Even though. Even though he was late, the trainer didn't say anything to him. Contrasting ideas, contrasting thoughts are given. And that's why they are joined with even though. Hope you understood. Next is even if. So, what is the meaning of even if? Whether or not. Something will still be true if another thing happens. That is the meaning. So, if you want to convey the same meaning, you need to use even if. Let's see examples. First, even if I become a millionaire, I will not be proud of wealth. So, here I will not be proud of wealth. That is true, right? If these things happen, still, even if I become a millionaire. Second, even if you have bought your ticket, you will still need to wait in line. So this one, second sentence, that is true. Even if the second thing or second action happens, even if you have bought your ticket, you will still need to wait in line. So this is true. Even if he earned a handsome salary, he would not buy a luxurious car. So he would not buy a luxurious car. That is true. Even if he earned a handsome salary. I am going to swim in the sea even if it rains. So here I am going to swim in the sea. That is true. Even if it rains, whether it will rain or not. But I am going to swim in the sea. So here I am going to swim in the sea. That is true. Even if they invite me, I won't go there. So here I won't go there. That is firm. That is true. Even if they invite me. So this way you need to use even if. Let's do exercise. Use even though or even if. 3 sentences are given and you have to choose from these 3. Do it now. Let's check answers. First, even if he studies hard, he is not going to succeed. So here 2 actions occurred. But here he is not going to succeed. That is true. That is firm. Even if he studies hard. Second, even though the weather was not good, we went for a long drive. Third one, he even didn't convince the crew. So here these 3 are the correct answers. Here we end our session. Hope you understood well. See you soon in my next session. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing. Stay tuned.